Okay, so today we're gonna be doing this video basically about the Valentine's Day chimes. I just want to show you this. I know last year with the Christmas ones, I promised I would do this throughout the year, but I didn't, so I'm gonna do it this year, kind of thing. I promised it, I forgot. Things didn't go too well, so today we're gonna do it before they go away, and I'll have to do it next year, but we can do it now. Okay, so those are for the detection zone. I want to make sure I don't miss one. Yeah, these are all the same. Here, I'll do this as a bonus. I'll do the standards. There we go. Okay. That's it for now. We're gonna go to I don't care. Independence Day ones next. Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas will come back. So subscribe so you can get the Independence ones. Now, like and subscribe. Goodbye. Comment what you do next.